Today we're going to talk a little bit about people first language. When you look at these pictures, what do you see? Do you see the person? The difference between the almost right word and the right word is really a large matter. 'Tis the difference between the lightning bug and the lightning. Mark Twain. So let's talk about disabilities. 1 in 5 people have a disability. People with disabilities constitute our nation's largest minority group, made up of a variety of genders, made up of a variety of ethnicities and races. The disability community is the only minority group that anyone can join at any time. Why use people first language? It emphasizes the person, not the disability. The disability is no longer the defining primary characteristic of an individual. You are no longer just seen as that disability. It eliminates generalizations and stereotypes. It shapes attitudes and perceptions, creating a culture of safety and security for all. There's less stigma. You're also modeling respectful, appropriate language. What does person-first language sound like? Words that you might say. Person with a hearing impairment versus deaf. Person who uses a wheelchair versus crippled or wheelchair-bound. Person with a disability versus disabled or handicapped. If you're looking for more information, please visit one of these great resources. The National Center on Health, Physical Activity, and Disability, the ARC, and Disability is Natural by Kathy Snow.